back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello and welcome. For today's video, we have another PR unboxing. I have been doing these about once a week, and I'm thinking of coming up with like a name for the PR unboxings. I want to do them on Fridays, so you guys should comment down below an idea that you guys have. I know my friend Danielle has like her mail haul Mondays, and I think that's a super cute idea. So I was hoping that you guys could help me come up with an idea for kind of our PR Fridays and come up with like a catchy little name for them. But I am going to be doing them every single Friday. So I have here a ton of packages that I've received this week, and I'm going to be sharing them with you guys. Our schedule here on my channel is I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and then Fridays. That is when you'll find new videos from me. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you do not miss out. We also have our giveaway going on right now. I have a giveaway on my channel. I have a giveaway on my Instagram as well. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, I will link it down below. And let's get started with opening some of these boxes. Okay, so the first box that I have here is from COOLA. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is inside here. A lot of these I have not opened yet. A few of them I peeked inside, but for the most part I haven't opened them, so we will be opening them together. Okay, so we have a cute little note here from them. I always love it when brands do notes, and let's see what we have inside. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 different products. So we have a makeup setting spray. I always love setting sprays. We also have a mineral sunscreen. This is an unscented matte tint. So this is a mineral BB cream. And then we also have here a classic primer. It says here that all of their products are organic, vegan, and plant protection. So let's see how the setting spray sprays, because I'm weird about setting sprays. Let's open this one. I really like their packaging. This is cute. Has like a thing inside. I don't know if that's like meant to be in there or if it fell in there. It looks like it's meant to be. It looks like it has some little beads in there. I'm not really sure what that's for. So let's spray it and see. Oof. It kind of smells like, I don't know, it kind of smells like sunscreen. It says SPF 30. So I guess it's like a setting spray that has SPF in it. It definitely does smell like sunscreen, so I don't know if I'm a fan of that smell, but it would work good if you were out in the sun, so that's cool. So we have products from them, so thank you so much to COOLA. So the next box that we have here, this is from Origins. I love Origins skincare products. Okay, so it says, Ice, Ice, Baby, I don't think you're ready for this jelly. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so we have their new Original Skin Perfecting Cooling Primer, and then we also have here their new Original Skin Cleansing Makeup Removing Jelly. Cool, okay. Oh, how cute! Oh my gosh. So the Cleansing Makeup Removing Jelly has all these little jelly beans in here. That's so cute. I'm really excited to try this out. I really love their ginseng line. That's my favorite. So this is the Cleansing Makeup Removing Jelly. And then I'm really also excited for this primer. Oh, how cute. It has a bunch of like little crystals in the bag. This is such a cute package. So this is their Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. So that sounds really cool that it's going to be like kind of cooling. I'm going to put a little on my hand and see. Oh, it's like a spray. I didn't realize that's what it was. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of like fizzing on my hands. Definitely did feel cooling. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. It feels like fizzy almost. But it feels really, really cooling. I'm excited to try this out. Thank you so much to Origins for this package. And of course I have to eat some of the jelly beans. I mean, can't send me a package of candy and expect me not to eat it. Those are good. Okay, so the next package that we have here is from Gorgeous Cosmetics. I do know that they were sweet enough to mention that they were going to give me a discount code. So I do have a discount code if you guys want to purchase anything from them. It is just going to be Molly50, and it's going to get you guys 50% off of their products. Okay, so we have a ton of different products in here. So the first one is their Liquid Base Perfect Foundation. So this is a ink liquid eye pencil in the shade Royal. Watch it and see. Okay, so that looks like it's gonna be really, really creamy. Cool, I'm excited about that. Let's see what else we have here. We have there, what is this? This is a liquid lip lacquer. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, pretty. So it looks like it's like a gloss. This is in the shade Allure. Look at how pretty that is. We also have here a cream concealer. I am on the hunt for a new concealer, so I'm excited about that. They also sent over, what is this? This is a Prism Powder Highlighter. Okay, we've got to swatch this. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. Let's swatch it and see what it looks like. It looks like it's going to be like really, really gold. So let's swatch it. So there's this swatch on my hand. So let's see what else we have. This is a Custom Eyes 8-pan palette. Ooh, how fun. Really excited about this. The colors look amazing. So this is their Neon palette. I have in here a Color Flash, and this is in the shade Gold. And then what else do we have? A Cheek Cream Blush. Ooh. And then the last thing in here is a pair of lashes, and these are in this style Madame. Look at how pretty those are. They have like the glitter on the top. Really excited to try these out. Thank you so much to Gorgeous Cosmetics. And like I said, if you guys want to try out anything from them, you can use the code Molly50. Really excited about these products. The next package is from GERARD Cosmetics and Octali, and they sent over this Color Your Smile lip gloss as well as this lipstick. Let's see which one this is. All dolled up for the lipstick. I really love their little bullets for their lipsticks. Oh my gosh, look at this shade. How fun is that? It's so bright. Let's swatch it. Oh, it feels really, really creamy. Look at how pigmented that is. And then let's see what the gloss is. So the gloss is a matching gloss. So this is Raspberry Sherbet. Oh, it even has like a little mirror on here. That's nice. So let's feel what the gloss. I'm gonna put it. Oh my gosh, you guys, there is a light inside of this lip gloss. How freaking cool is that? So not only does it have the little mirror on it, it also has a light. I've never seen one like that before. I was like, what? That is so cool. Okay, let's swatch it. I'm gonna put it over top of the lipstick. It feels like it's gonna be nice and glossy. So that's on top of the lipstick. That is so cool. Thank you so much to GERARD Cosmetics and Octali for that package. The next box that I have here is from Covergirl. I'm really excited about this package. I've never received anything from them before, so this is super, super exciting. I have been using Covergirl makeup for as long as I can remember. So it looks like these are new products to their VITALIST Healthy Glow collection. So I know they have their foundation. So it sounds like this is just an extension of the foundation. Okay, so awesome. We have a lot of products in here. So it looks like we have a Lock It Up setting spray. So we have another setting spray. Awesome. Ooh, we have a couple different concealers. So these are their new VITALIST Healthy Concealers. So it looks like they have like a little pen on them. So those are exciting. So you have two different shades. It looks like one will be a contour shade and then a regular concealing shade. Okay, so we have two different shades of the VITALIST To Go Luminizing Lotion. So we have two different shades of that. So this one looks like it'll be more of a bronzing shade, and then this one. So let's open this and see how luminous it really is. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand here so we can kind of rub it in and see. Ooh, that looks pretty. So it looks like it is gonna give a really nice, I put it right there, luminosity to the skin. Really excited to try that. And then we also have in here two different Healthy Glow. Let's see what these are. So these are Healthy Glow highlighters. They're like a creamy formula. So really excited to try all of this new stuff. And then we also have in here two different lip colors. So these are the VITALIST Elixir Lip Oil. Okay, so they look like they are going to be really sheer. So there's the pink one swatched, and then this is in the shade Cherry Crush, and then we also have here Melon Granada. Really cool package. Thank you so much to Covergirl. This was amazing to receive their new products from their new line. So the next package that I have here is from MBA, which is My Beauty Addictions. I'm really excited to get this package, you guys, because I have been in love with their glitters lately. Okay, so we have like a whole little package of goodies here. Let me cut this open so we can see what's inside. Ooh, so we have some pressed glitters. Look at how pretty that purple one looks. Oh my gosh. And then we have here a couple of more glitters. This is a highlight. Ooh, and then we also have here another pressed glitter. That one looks really pretty as well. And then what is this last thing here? Acid, it looks like approved for lip and eye. So this looks like it's gonna be like a little powder product. So thank you so much to MBA. I'm really excited to try out these glitters. I cannot wait. So the next package I have here is from GLAM ADDICT. And it looks like they sent me a couple pairs of lashes. I get so excited for lashes. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this box is. It's like all sparkly. That is so cute. Okay, so this is the style. What is the style here? This is the style Virgo. Look at how pretty those are. Really, really wispy. I can't wait to try these out. And then it looks like the other style is in Posh. And those look super pretty as well. I love this packaging. Look at the glitter on the inside too. So pretty. Thank you so much to GLAM ADDICT. I can't wait to try out these lashes. So the next package here is from MOETTI. I believe I'm saying that right. I have followed them on Instagram for so long. I remember when they first launched. So this is super sweet to get a package from them. So they sent me 2 different lip products and then 2 different eyeshadows. So let's see how the lip products look. Ooh, fun. This is a purple. So this is the shade Reckless. I believe that this is a liquid lipstick. So let's see here. Ooh, that looks like it's gonna be nice and pigmented. Ooh, look at how pretty this pink is. So this is the shade Flamingo. Let's swatch that one next to the other one. These feel like they're gonna be like a really nice formula because they look like nice and whipped. And here is that shade there on the bottom. So cute. And then let's open the eyeshadow. So they sent over 2 different little eyeshadows. These look really pretty. Ooh, look at how nice that color is. Let's swatch that. Ooh. That one's really pretty. It looks like it might even be a really pretty highlight too. I might have to try that out as a highlight. Thank you so much to MOETTI. So the next package that we have here is from Essence. Essence is one of my absolute favorite affordable brands. I love them. I feel like they have so many amazing products. Oh my gosh. They sent me a ton of lipsticks. Okay, so it says surprise. So these are their new color lipsticks and they are called their Ultra Last Instant Color Lipsticks. We have a ton of different colors here. Look at how many they sent over. So there's a ton of new colors. Okay, so let's see which one we want to swatch. I'm excited to try these out. Let's go for the pink since we're having a pink thing. Ooh, it even has like their little logo on there. So let's swatch this one. I'm running out of room here. Ooh, it feels like it's gonna be really, really nice on, feels like it's gonna be really creamy actually. So here it is right here. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, let's swatch one more. Let's do this one. This one looks pretty. So this is the shade, it looks like they just have shade numbers on there. So that one's 20. The last one that I did was 10. This looks like it's gonna be a really pretty like dark chocolatey brown color. Ooh. So here's that one swatched right there. So pretty. Thank you so much to Essence. I cannot wait to try out the rest of these. I really, really love their lip products. So I really like their glosses. So I can't wait to try out this new formula. Thank you guys so much. So the next package here, this is from, who is this from? Okay, so this is from FLIRT Cosmetics, and these are their new Look at Me Lips Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Ooh, fun. So we have 6 new shades. I am running out of room to swatch, so I'm just going to pick, I think, one. So these are all of the new little lipsticks from them. So these are the matte liquid lipsticks. Let's swatch one of the colors. So this one is in the shade Famous. Ooh, it looks like it's going to be a pretty nude. I love their packaging as well. It's just so like luxurious. I really like that. And let's see. So it looks like it has a large wand, and let's go ahead and swatch it. That is like the perfect shade of nude. I swatched it right here. Really excited to try out these liquid lips. I cannot believe I got so many lipsticks to try out, you guys. I'm gonna be like drowning in them. But thank you so much to FLIRT. I cannot wait to try out this new formula and a lot of new lippy colors. I think this video is gonna be really, really long. This is probably the biggest PR haul we've had. I got a lot of packages this week. I'm so grateful to all of these brands, and I feel a little bit overwhelmed. This is kind of a lot. But thank you guys so much for all of the support. You guys make this all possible for me, and I really, really love you guys. And honestly, like, it's so crazy. This is so crazy. So this next package is from Deck of Scarlet. So let's see what this is. So Deck of Scarlet is a subscription service. Oh my gosh, so look at this. It's a subscription service where you receive palettes every other month. So I'm not really sure. So what is this? Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. So this is their new foiled eyeshadow collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. We have a ton of different foiled eyeshadows in here. Oh wow, these are so pretty. So I do know that they said that you can purchase these, I believe, as a set, or you can purchase them individually on their website. So let's pick one of them here to swatch. So it looks like they all come in like these little containers here, and then I think there is a whole Z palette here at the top. This feels like it's going to be really, really pretty, really foiled and buttery. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at how pigmented that looks. I'm really excited. That looks like it would be pretty as a highlight too. I'm all about the highlights, you guys know that. So I want to try out the rest of these. Really excited to see how pigmented and everything they are. So thank you so much to Deck of Scarlet. I don't want to swatch them all because I don't really have much room, and I know that this video is already so long, but I'm definitely going to be playing with these really soon. And this package is so luxurious. It's got like velvet and everything on it. So thank you so much to Deck of Scarlet. This is so cute. Okay guys, I think we got through all of the packages. This was by far our biggest PR haul yet, so thank you so much to all of the brands who sent me these incredible packages, and thank you to you guys who make this all possible for me. I love you guys so much. You mean the world to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know your thoughts down below on these products, and I will have everything I mentioned listed in the description box as well, so if you guys want to check out any of the products, they will all be there for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.